Hey, are you tired of being tired? Are you exhausted from constantly trying to meet your health goals, but you're getting nowhere? My Evolve program is exactly what you need. I have helped over 3,000 people get their act together nutritionally, exercise, stress reduction. All of those things are going to lead you to the path of success. So, what do you get when you join my program? You get to communicate with me every single day. And this is after we have met to put together a personalized plan for you. In addition, you're going to get amazing recipes, all crafted with a specific protocol that I've created that match in with every single one of those meals. In addition to your monthly recipes, and daily communication. There are seminars that you can follow. There are workshops that you can attend. There are resources for you to find for cooking, for exercise, for meal prep. So this is an all-in-one type of plan. Starts again October 15th. It runs until January 15th. So yes, let me help you get through the holidays successfully. Those of you that want to start early, the early start option begins as early is. So right now we are in mid-August. Anybody that wants to do an early start can start early for an extra fee. So check it out. This will get you 5 months with Get You Fit, enough for you to truly meet those goals.